Hi, welcome to the video. My name's Pete. Today we're going to have a look at the Son Clave 3-2 pattern, which is a brilliant pattern to move around the kit. You can make fills, you can make beats, and you can embellish your own playing. Let's jump straight into it. This is the sound of the 3-2 clave being played on the snare drum. You'll have heard this many times before in lots of different songs because it's so widely used. What we're going to do today is we're going to fill in the notes in between each part of the phrase and apply it to the rest of the kit. You may find the next step a little bit easier if you play this pattern as right, left, right, 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 left, right, right, right. If you're a left-handed player, play it as left, right, left, 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 right, left, left, left. If we play the pattern as 16th notes or semiquavers and then we add accents into the notes we want to stand out, the pattern takes on a new dimension. You're looking to make a real contrast between the accent and the other notes that you're playing. That way you'll really get the 3-2 aspect to stand out. The left-handed version of this pattern would go like this. Once you're comfortable playing that pattern, we can start to apply the accents to the toms. The right-hand accents can go to the floor tom, and the left-hand accents can go to the high tom. Everything else can stay on the snare for now. If you're using a bigger kit like this, you can of course move your accents to different toms as well. Once you're comfortable with all of that, you can start to move your accents to the cymbals as well. Crash cymbal on your left, ride cymbal on your right. If you have two crashes, you can use both of those. You can also use the open hi-hats too to create different effects. And finally, once you're comfortable with all those ideas I've shown you, why not try to come up with your own ideas using the 3-2 clave? You can move your right hand, your left hand, and don't forget your feet. Here's a short demonstration, a simple demonstration of the kind of thing I mean. Well, I hope you found that helpful, useful and interesting. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for another drum bass video. Cheers.